So to get this fixed, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu, try to search for Amino app, tap on it for some while. Now this is going to pop up. So what you have to do when this pop up is to tap over here, just tap on the app info. And when you tap on the app info, you are going to be in the app info of Amino app. So when you get over here, tap on notification. Make sure the show notification is the good on. When it's off, go back, tap on permissions and make sure you allow every permission over here. Now go back, tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache, go back, tap on the force stop, tap on OK. Now tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure this background data is turned on like this. After doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. So when you find your Google Play Store, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, you have to tap on the search apps and try to search for Amino app. When it appears like this, just tap on it. And when you get to this section, what you have to do is to just tap on the update over here to get the latest update of this app. So you have to update it. After updating it, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while to restart your device. So what you have to do is to tap on restart. It depends on your device. You're going to see reboot and restart is the same process. So just try to reboot or restart your device and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends. So as you can see, it's really working perfectly on